Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video, we have created this blog comment blog form. Okay, so now we are going to import this blog in our views.py file, and in details page we will start fetching the data using this form. Okay, so first I will say comment blog form, and here below this all underscore blocks I will write form equals to comment blog form, and I will check for post request first because we are going to post the data using post method. So if request dot method is double equals to post, then we will just copy this form, and inside this parenthesis we will pass request dot post. Okay, now we will check for the valid data. So if form dot is underscore valid, then we will simply save the form. So form dot save, and we will pass success message. So message is dot success dot not dot parenthesis request, and here we will say sorry, I will just close. Here I will say your comment on this blog has been posted. Okay, save this. Now in else condition, sorry, not else condition, we need to return this user to any page after saving this data. Okay, so return redirect in blog underscore detail page only. Okay, now in else condition we will say form equals to this same form only. I'll just copy and paste it. Now this else condition should be here. Okay, so make sure you indent properly. It should not be aligned with this if loop. Okay, now this is it. So we will just import this form in our context dictionary. So now we have access to this form, so I will just go to blog underscore detail, and below this description, so in home page, I don't think we have server up and running, so we'll run this server, refresh, go to read more, and we need to have this description blog description text area below this description. Okay, I hope you got the idea. So I will just import the form quickly. So div dot call, I'll say form underscore as underscore p. Save this, come over here, refresh, and you can see we have got this form. Okay, now in h3 tag I will say write your comment. Okay, refresh. Okay, now we got this. Now if we look into our forms.py file, then we have these two fields hidden. Okay, so we are going to pass the author which is commenting on this blog post. Okay, his ID. Okay, and the blog ID, like on which blog it is posting the video. So before that I will just create super user, because honestly I don't remember any passwords which I have created. So I'll just clear the terminal and I will say python manage.py create super user, and I'll say admin admin admin. Yes. Now I'll run the server again and I'll log in with admin and admin. Okay. So here we are basically, taking the ID of logged in user and the ID of the blog on which the user is posting the comment. Okay, so if I show you the admin panel slash admin, then we need ID of this blog, which is 3, and we need ID of the user, any user, which is 16. Okay, we need these both values. So if you remember, while creating the blog, we wrote one small script. So if I go to create blog and we wrote this script, okay, using this script, we are going to fetch the author in the blog. Okay, so I'll just paste that script down, and this name is right, and we need to add one more line. So here it will be where blog equals to blog.id. So this blog variable is coming from here. Okay, so you can see from this query we have passed over here, and we are fetching the ID of the blog, and then we will just copy and paste this line, and here instead of author we will say blog, because we have given the ID as blog over here. Okay, and I will close this file, and here instead of name I will say blog, because we want to pass the value which is present in this variable. Okay, now I will just go to a blog detail page, come over here, refresh, and we need to also pass submit button. Okay, so before passing the submit button, we need to wrap this form in a post form tag. Okay, so I'll just cut this. I'll say form post, we don't need action, and between this form tag I'll say csrf token. So csrf token, then this form, and then I'll say button submit, and I'll say comment, and I'll write class equals to btn, then btn hyphen outline, then primary. Save, come over here, refresh. Now you can see we got this button. Now we should be able to and comment the blog, and the data should be visible over here. Okay, so I'll say nice, hit on comment. Okay, so we got some error. Okay, so here we are just getting this slug. So let me check the views.py file. Yeah, it should be proper. I think this should come over here. Come over here, refresh. Okay, blog has been posted. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, we are getting error while redirecting the user. So just put this else case back where it was. Okay, just control Z it. Now here you can see we are redirecting user to blog detail page, but we don't have any link with blog detail. If you will see, then we will not find any pages because we are getting this blog detail dynamically, right? So to do this, we just need to, concatenate this redirect line. So I will just copy this whole string from this URL and paste it over here. And instead of this markdown 2020 0424, I will just remove this and I will say plus, and using this variable blog I will pass the string. So blog dot, sorry, not string, slug, blog dot slug. Okay, save this, come over here, refresh. Now it should not give us any errors, so I will say very nice comment. Okay, now you can see we have redirected to same blog, but here is an issue. If I log out and go to read more page, I mean blog detail page, then we are still able to see this dialog box, and we will not able to comment uh, on the blog because we are not logged in, and the hidden field will not able to find any author ID. But we should, instead of showing this comment block dialog box, input box, not dialog box, we should say you need to log in to write the comment. Okay, so all this authentication part we are going to do in next video, because if author has posted this blog, then he also should not allow to post his comment on his blog only. Okay, so we will restrict that also. So in next video we are going to do this thing. So in today's video we have just seen that how we can post the blog and save in our database. So in next video we are going to display all the blogs related to that post, and we are going to restrict the users. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.